Okay, to complete the credit card spending assignment, you will have to go back and refer to the 3 credit cards you chose in the comparison assignment that was due on Thursday. And so for the first one, we're just making a minimum payment only, saying that we spent $1,000 and going to this calculator. So first it wants to know how much will our purchase be if we pay only the minimum payment. And so I already have that open here. So we're going to say that we spent $1,000. And then my credit card rate was 15.9. And my minimum payment was 5%. So all these numbers I'm getting from my credit card comparison. So then it's telling me my monthly payment would be $50. It's going to take me 55 months to pay that off. And so in the end, my total payments is $1,303.17. So essentially over that 55 months, which is a long time, that's more than 4 years, I'm paying $303.17 extra. So we're just going to go back here. So how much will my purchase be? So that's where I'm going to put in that total, the 1,000 amount. And then how long will I pay? That was 55 months. And then you'll do the same thing for your other 2 credit cards. Now we're going to look at making a regular payment. So we'll have to pull up this website for that. Okay, so now for just making a regular payment. So once again, our current balance is $1,000. Put in your APR. I don't think this really matters. I would just choose other. And then monthly payment. Let's see if it tells us what could you afford from a regular payment. Okay. So then for that, I mean, we could start out with, right, we knew that $55 was going to be at least my minimum. And so then it tells me if that's what I'm paying, 21 months, $153. And so for this, you know, it's just saying, okay, you figuring out what could you afford. So maybe we'll say, well, I could afford $155. And then when I click off of that, then it tells me, okay, that's going to take me 7 months and $53 dollars in interest. So we'll say my 155. So then my purchase would be 1,053. So my 1,000 plus that interest. And then how long will it take me? 7 months. And then do that for your other 3 credit cards. So hopefully that is going to get you started off right with this assignment. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me.